Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on the Realme GT 7T. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And then of course we need to slide this white circle towards the power off option. Wait for the phone to completely turn off. And after that, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. And we need to hold these two buttons until we are in the recovery mode. So let's press and hold it. In the bottom left corner, we can see a little text that indicates the process of going to the recovery mode. There we go. And we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this case, of course, we can choose English. In order to proceed, we have three options. We can format our phone, we can reboot our phone so that we can restart to the normal mode, and of course the power off option. So if you want to exit the recovery mode, all you have to do is simply choose reboot the device and then confirm your choice. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.